Hello, thank you for clicking over to watch this video on my Maes Mary Crafts channel. In this video I'm going to make something a little bit different to what I usually make. I'm going to make a decoration like an overflowing cup with flowers coming out of it. Hope you like it. The first thing I did was printed out on the 3D printer the three main parts. Click in the link below to the blog for more information on the printer. The three parts need to be glued together with super glue. The tongue that goes in the cup, the milk that's pouring, and the cup itself. The first thing I'll do is attach the tongue to the pour and make sure it's very solid and dried before I do anything else. While those are drying, I'm going to put gold coloured Nuvo mousse on the base, rim and handle of the cup. Next, I collected everything I needed together and glued the tongue inside the cup and again left them to dry. I didn't want to do much to the wooden base, but I did use some of the gold mousse around to draw that colour in. I had a piece of white lace, but it was brighter white than the flowers and the cup, so I've toned that down a bit with the mousse as well. I then decided exactly where I wanted the pouring cup to stand and glued it to the base with a hot glue gun. I took two little floral sprigs and wound them around my fingers, one to go on the handle and one to go on the base. I also put a piece of the lace on the handle as well. Then I used some more of the hot glue to put the flowers inside the cup and in a spiral around the pouring milk. I also stuck some flowers on the splash of milk that was coming upwards in the bottom. I then stuck some more flowers overflowing onto the wooden base. Please remember to put a thumbs up and subscribe if you feel like it as well. And remember, there's also the links in the description for more details on my blog. Finishing off with more bits of lace and flowers where I thought they were needed. And there it's finished. I've got a few more photos so that you can see it from all angles. And that's it. That is finished. I hope you like it. Please remember to leave a comment below and the thumbs up sign if you feel like it, and subscribe as well. Thank you.